We're going to start another topic called percentages, and this is going to be split into different sections. The first section we're going to look at is finding a type of percentage. There are lots of different types of percentages you can be asked to find. You could be asked to find a percentage gain, percentage profit, percentage increase, percentage decrease, or a percentage loss. And there's one general formula we use to find any one of these. So say for example you wanted to work out a percentage increase, so you would put increase in the box here, and that would be equal to the increase over the original value and then multiplied by 100%. So that's the general formula that allows you to find any type of percentage, and you must learn that. So we're going to apply this in our first example. It says a house is bought for 160,000 and is sold a year later for 200,000. Find the percentage profit. So we can't get the percentage profit until we know the profit. So the first thing we do is get the profit. So the profit is the difference between what it was originally bought for and what it was then sold for. So it's always bigger minus smaller. So that's going to leave us with 40,000. And now we get the percentage profit. So we now put the profit, 40,000, over the original value. Now the original value is what the house originally cost. So it cost originally 160,000 before it was sold. So 160,000. And then we just multiply that by 100. And that will turn it into a percentage, because you have a fraction. If you multiply a fraction by 100, you're turning it into a percentage. So we can go to your calculator. So 40,000 over 160,000, and we're just multiplying by 100. And that's just going to give us 25% exactly. So that is the percentage profit. Okay, let's look at example 2 as well. So a similar type of situation. This time we have a car. So the value of a car is decreased from £8,000 to £5,000. Calculate the percentage decrease. So solution 2. So we can't get the percentage decrease until we work out what the decrease actually is. So again, the decrease is the difference in what the car used to cost and what it now costs. It used to cost 8,000, it now costs 5,000, so the decrease is the difference between them. It's always larger minus smaller, so it's going to be 8,000 subtract 5,000, and that's going to leave us with 3,000 £3,000. Now that we've got the decrease, we can now get the percentage decrease. So to get the percentage decrease, you put the decrease, 3,000, over the original value. So the original value of the car was 8,000. And then we just multiply that by 100. And again, we can go to our calculator, use our fraction button, and then hit our SD button. That's going to give us 37.5%. Okay, so that's how you find a type of percentage. So you put, if it's a percentage increase you want, you put the increase over the original value multiplied by 100. If it's a percentage decrease you want, you put the decrease over the original value multiplied by 100. If it's a percentage profit you want, you put the profit over the original value and multiply by 100, and so on.